Hey, what's up guys, I'm from BSc Tech with another video. Today's video is about why your Ethernet connection is so slow. There are two options: people use Wi-Fi or people use Ethernet connection or a cable connection. So I am connected right now with Wi-Fi. Let's do a quick speed test here on my screen. Obviously, considering the fact that the distance from the router is quite far actually, so the results from the speed test will obviously show that the signal strength is not that great as compared to Ethernet connection. So what we did actually here, let's go inside. As you can see that I'm connected with Wi-Fi. Okay, now we are going to connect Ethernet cable, which is here somewhere, and we will connect this cable and do network run. Wait for the sign to appear on this section, and now we will do a test run again on this page. Let's see how far we can go. So there's a difference between the Ethernet connection and Wi-Fi. So it's producing almost similar sort of results. Now let's take this off. And we will now connect another Ethernet cable which is different. Why we are doing this video? Because just want to show you the problem we are facing actually with regard to the Ethernet connection. This is applicable to almost every single device you connect. Either it's a Fire Stick TV, or it's a telly, or it's a laptop or a desktop computer, or a third-party device. For example, you have a hardware which is in place. Let's do a test run, and as you can see that we are now on Ethernet again. So Wi-Fi is also connected, Ethernet is connected, but the device is using Ethernet. So guys, my point is basically these two Ethernet cables, they work fine, but this one which has been in place for some time is faulty. It's not supplying enough power to the device, and if we change this now back to the one which is already in place, and let's just put this back in and do a test run again. As you can see that this is out now which you have recently connected, and now see the difference. So massive difference guys, massive difference, 4 times faster if you compare this. Let's do this in between. It's already running 40-45 MBs. So let's replace the cable again one more time, cancel, and let's do the run again and see the difference guys. And if you do obviously on Wi-Fi, sometimes these Ethernet cables, they fail as well, so you need to make sure that you change them or you replace them. If you don't know how to change it then you can simply go ahead and buy a new one which is a replacement cable, and that will do perfectly fine for you. That's it for today's video guys on how to fix your slow internet connection, whether you have a Fire Stick, whether you have a laptop or a computer or a desktop or a third-party device which is run on your Ethernet connection. Thumbs up, like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take care.